In this video, I'll demonstrate how to export your code from B44. To do this, start by accessing B44 and logging into your account. Then, scroll down and open the app you need the code for. For instance, I'm using this one here. Now, you have several options and most are paid, which is somewhat frustrating but understandable. If you navigate to GitHub, for instance, you'll see you need to upgrade to Builder Pro Elite or Enterprise plans starting at $40 monthly, where you can access the GitHub integration. So exporting to GitHub will cost you $40. However, if you compare this to hiring a developer to write all the code, it's still much cheaper. But you can also click on the three dots, and the same applies to GitHub. If you export the project as zip, you'll still need to upgrade. There's a manual method you can use, which will take more time. But if you click the three dots and go to Files Used in this page, click See All Files, you'll find all your files here. For instance, you have the pages. If you click any page, you can view the code. Now you can scroll all the way to the bottom. I'm using Mac, so for me, it's Command. I believe for Windows, it's Control, then Shift and press the up arrow. Then you'll copy everything. You can simply do Command-C and paste it elsewhere. For example, in a file, then move to the next one and it automatically copies this. But you need to ensure you copy everything. Again, go to the bottom, do the same thing, copy everything, and you can go through all of this. And if you go to components here, I can also copy everything. And you just need to go through every single part here to copy all the code. From there, you can manually upload it to GitHub or wherever you want your code, and that's a way you can do it for free. This is quite time-consuming and it's easy to make mistakes like forgetting a line of code, but it's possible. So now you know 3 different ways to export your code from B44. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.